So I'm at the Expert Teleportation stand, and as you can see, I'm wearing an interesting bit of equipment on my head here. I'm with Olivier from Expert Teleportations. So Olivier, please talk me through what I'm wearing exactly.
So you're putting a helmet, and this helmet is made just to help a customer fix a problem on the field. So what you are wearing is an equipment in which that you are having a camera, and with this camera, the expert on his tablet can see exactly what the problem and can guide you. So me as an expert, I see exactly what you are seeing in yourself, and I can guide you and I can give you some help on the field. Meaning that, for example, if you are in a workshop and you need an information and you need a solution, I can see precisely what you are doing and I can guide you. And with the earplug, that you can understand what I say, and then you can fix the problem as quickly as possible.
So one person is essentially remote while the technician is on the floor. And,
yes,
as you
that's
said, he can see all
exactly our expertise.
And what's the industry interest so far been like in this?
So we are in MRO because airplane industry is our key development environment. So we are for the moment focused on transport and energy, where these kind of companies are requiring this kind of solution.
Sure. Which other industries had this been used in before, outside of aviation? Had it worked in other sectors?
Yes. So we are working a lot with companies such as Veolia, and also with Bureau Veritas, Technip and ap&m, for example.
What have been some of the benefits for technicians using this technology in their heads?
Yeah, thanks for the question. The key benefit of the solution is just that instead of spending hours just to solve a problem, they can solve it in minutes. So the key element is just that it's extremely easy to handle. As you can see, it's very simple to use, and the expert can guide very quickly the operator on the field.
Okay.